If you own a business and you've ever bought equipment, a vehicle, or any major asset, this tool can save you time, money, and confusion. Today, I'm going to show you how our depreciation calculator works, how to use it step by step, and why it's one of those tools you should bookmark and come back to every year. Depreciation is how the IRS allows businesses to spread the cost of an asset over time. Instead of deducting the full purchase in 1 year, depreciation lets you deduct a portion every year. Why does this matter? Because depreciation directly affects your taxable income, your annual deductions, your long-term tax planning. And choosing the wrong depreciation method can cost you money. Let's walk through the calculator. Asset purchase price. This is how much you paid for the asset. Salvage value. This is the estimated value of the asset at the end of its useful life. Useful life. This is how long the asset is expected to be used for business. Depreciation method. You can select straight line double declining balance or sum of years digits. Each method impacts your deductions differently. Purchase date. This helps with accurate first-year calculations. Now let's hit Calculate Depreciation. Here's where this tool becomes powerful. Method comparison. You can instantly compare how each depreciation method affects annual depreciation, total depreciation, book value over time. This makes it easy to understand which method gives you faster deductions versus smoother deductions. You'll also see original cost, salvage value, total depreciation, current book value, and this table shows your depreciation year by year. This is extremely helpful for bookkeeping, tax prep, financial planning. This isn't a one-time tool. You should bookmark this calculator if you buy equipment regularly, purchase vehicles, run a growing business, want predictable tax planning. Instead of guessing or using spreadsheets, this gives you clarity in seconds. You can find this calculator right on our website at jccastleaccounting.com. Save it, bookmark it, use it every time you buy an asset. And if you want more free calculators, tools, and tax-saving tips, make sure to subscribe and visit our website. Thanks for watching.